Story goes, little hope, a bigger dream. Most of my froze, it's me, GINAMARIE, and in this video I'm going to be styling my hair into this hairstyle. This is a 3-strand twist that I just pinned up. I actually didn't show you guys the pin. The front of my hair was a little frizzy, so I kind of went ahead and just pinned it up. But I will be styling my hair using the Jane Carter Curls to Go styling products. I have their Untangle Me Weightless Leave-In as well as their Curl Cocktail Conditioner. I always wanted to try Jane Carter's products, but for some reason I just never did. And I'm going to say, don't be surprised if you see some more videos using their products, because I really like how my hair feels right now. I really like my results, and I definitely see myself using these products more. I'm not going to ramble on too long, so let's get into the video.
The style I'm going to be doing today is a 3-strand twist. I asked you guys on Instagram what should I do, and that's what you guys asked for. So I'm going to first go in with that leave-in and apply that all to the back section of my hair and work that into my hair. Now, first thing I can say about this leave-in is that it gives a lot of slip. If you've ever tried the Kinky Curly's leave-in conditioner, this definitely reminds me of that when it comes to the slippage and the texture of this product. It was very easy to apply and super easy to detangle my hair. So then I'm just going to go in with the Curl Cocktail, and I'm using about a dime size amount. I felt like I did not need a lot of this product. It spread really easy. I have to say I really like this Curl Cocktail. I like the thickness of it, the creaminess of it, and it made it super easy to detangle my hair. Like, these two products paired together work really well together. Just detangling my hair was such a breeze. Even though I use my dimming brush, because I always use my dimming brush when I'm styling my hair, I definitely felt like I could just finger detangle while I styled my hair. Like I said, I'm going to do a 3-strand twist for my hairstyle. And so all a 3-strand twist is you split your hair into 3 like you were going to do a braid. But instead of crisscrossing, you just roll one piece over both pieces. And so it's kind of hard to explain, but it's really simple. And once you get the technique of it, it's very easy to do. And you can definitely search YouTube videos on how to do it. I might have a video. If I do, I will link it a little bit more detailed on how to do a 3-strand twist. So I'm just going to finish the rest of my hair. It's pretty self-explanatory. I really like these products. I have no complaints about these products whatsoever. And so I will come back in the clips with my hair dry.
I met you in the summer when you left, it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the to do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking.
So with my hair dry, I'm just going to slowly unravel my hair. As you guys can see, if you look closely, I did the back pretty small, but then I did my front pretty chunky. And I wish I didn't do that for the simple fact that I felt like I got more definition in the back than I did in the front. And then my front came out pretty frizzy, especially in the front part where you guys can see how chunky those 3 strands are. I got tired of twisting my hair, so I kind of did them a little more chunkier. But overall, the definition that I have in my hair is absolutely amazing. And my hair is very moisturized right now. It feels soft. It's soft to the touch, very lightweight. I absolutely loved how my hair felt. So these are my final results. Like I said in the earlier clips, I did go ahead and pin the front just because it was a little frizzy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.